Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends onto the Bybit platform and get a reward. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you're inside the homepage, you can tap on your account icon at the top left corner where you will find the Invite Friends option. Now within the homepage as well, you can tap on the More button and tap on Invite Friends. You can check out the details of the rewards and then proceed with inviting. You may invite your friends from Telegram by tapping on the Telegram button. This will open up your Telegram application from which you can share the link directly with your chosen contact. If you tap on the Invite Now option, you will get a QR code that you can save and share using various different applications manually. You can also copy the link by tapping on Copy Link and then paste the link to send it to any of your friends who can then follow the link and join you. To obtain your reward, you will need to wait until the person has completed their sign-up and verification process, and you can use this method to invite as many people as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends onto the Bybit platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.